Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this tree shape I got from Dollar Tree. I remove the hanger and fill in that hole with some light spackling. Use my heat tool to dry that and sanded that down. Next I'm using this pearl adhesive wrap, also from Dollar Tree. I'm cutting strips of that, making sure to cut off all those strings on the sides of those. And then I am placing that all the way around both sides of the tree. Once I get down towards the bottom, I place down this wooden crate and mark off on either side where that's going to be glued so I don't add the pearl wrap to that. And then I'm taking Plaster color chalk paint, and that's by Waverly, and I paint both the tree and the crate completely. And I ended up deciding to add on some of these dowel caps that are from Hobby Lobby to the bottom of the crate. I just used some hot glue and glue them to the bottom four corners of the crate, and then paint those with the Plaster chalk paint as well. Next, I take this drawer pull I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm marking off where that's going to be on the crate. I'm just using a pencil, and then on top of those dots, I add hot glue and place that down. I then take Mod Podge and add a layer of that to the front part of the tree. Next, I'm taking one of these window clings that I got from Amazon and chose this Santa one and placed that down onto the tree on top of that wet Mod Podge. Smooth it out with my hand and then use the low setting on my heat gun to dry that. I then add in some hot glue and floral foam into the crate, as well as some rocks to give that some more weight to hold that down. I added hot glue to the bottom portion of the tree and placed that on the back of the crate. And then I just had to fill it in with some different picks, some greenery with some white and red berries. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.